Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. Join us to our adventure in Alyon, Maribeles, Bataan. Let's go!
Let's go! Hello guys, we are going to river with our motorbikes. We are bringing foods and we will cook. Then eat. Let's go! Hi guys! Welcome to Alyon!
Trip, trip, trip.
Yo,
Trip lang. Trip.
pakinggan nyo to.
Trip. Bakit? Trip.
Trip lang.
Trip lang.
Halika na naramadali ng talaga. Pangako pagkatapos humihinga ka padali na pare magliliwanag na kung di ka sasabay maiiwanan ka. Ang isip ay wag na gawin pang dalawa dahil isa lang ito. Ang gusto lang naman ito ay maging masaya. Para di ka mabato ay iwasan mo ang pananatili sa isang lugar. Ibig ko sabihin ay huwag ka papasakop sa takot. Huwag ka papasakop kapag nangate eh di ka matito isipin mo. Hinipan sa lahat ng karanasan mo dito sa mundo. Bilang tao gano'n pa rin hindi nagbago. Pinakamasaya yung di pinlano.
Kasi pag di mo pa alam, di mo nakakatakot pero exciting naman. Exciting! Yeah! Sumabay ng sibat na ng bahala. Oras na subukan ang di pa nagagawa. Minsan lang kaya magpakaligaya. Mag-enjoy, magsaya, walang mawawala.
Ay gago, low battery.
The road is very dangerous.
But the driver is
very professional. This is the professional license driver.
non-pro.
If you take the license, you can go to the Pilar LTO. Can you ask Kim Borja how to bought license?
Contact the backer.
The backer. Oh. So guys, we are here at the Hulo. So guys, look the view. This is the good spot. Yan. We're going cooking na. Yan. Na, bigyan natin.
Apply the oil in the hot dog. This is barbarian style. Barbarian style.
What is this?
This is the oil. And put the hot dog.
It's so many hot dog. So many hot dog guys. Guys, this is done. Ready to cook. Ready to cook now. This is done. Preparing. Look at the view in this place. This is so very peaceful and quiet.
Okay.
James is cooking putlong now. Cooking putlong guys.
Burger Hills, puro mga ganun. Parang katulad na kalaan gani. Mga panot sa bundok.
Nilalakad lang.
Oo. Dami pupunta doon.
Guys, this
Let's
is
eat
already
hot dog.
done cooking putlong. So guys, we are
hot
taste.
dog. Very delicious.
This is yummy.
Oh,
Hello guys, so we are going home now. Let's go.
It's very
Hanggang sa dulo ng mundo, hanggang maubos ang dugo, hanggang dumulong ang luha, hanggang mahulog ang dagat. Hanggang mo aking mata, di mo ba nakikita? Ako ngayon lumilipad at nasa langit na. Gusto mo ba?
Hi guys! Thank you for watching our vlog.
Thank you guys. Let's go.
Let's G!